as well.
Thanks, brother.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, quit!
I said, hey, how long has Wayne been here? He's been like, and they say he's older than I am. He said, look, I already coach the meetings. I let him coach. I go play golf.
Yeah.
Where y'all at? Where y'all at? It's time! It's time! Let's eat. Let's eat. All
right, a little bit of wind that way. Just be good about fielding it.
You got to cross, okay?
Play with great focus, great intensity, great passion, unmatched effort, right? I'm going, boys.
East Carolina.
Hey, let's go, all right? Let's go. Josh, let's go now. Let's hit it, baby.
Ref came up to me, he was like, hey. What up? Thank you, let's go!
Hang together, stay together, pull each other up, and we're going to get better. You got me?